Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kijumi Martin. This I'm doing my end of semester examination, final assessment of 2021. And these are my registration number. I'm from Uganda. I'm from St. Joseph University, Barara, in Nyamitanga, and and the project I'm working on is about COVID-19. It's about COVID-19 diseases, COVID-19 viruses that are all over the world. So a few months back, somebody invented a, a, a drug to cure COVID-19. Uh, so and it was one time complaining about people duplicating his products, and he over the news he was saying that he's going to organize for where they will be selling his his drugs from. They're like drops. So I came with that idea of designing an application, a mobile app. It's a mobile app tracker for tracking where where covidex is sold. So it's a software that helps you to locate where they sell covidex, and it will be important for people to get the right medication for taking in covidex. So uh, so how to use this COVID locator, which is my system that I designed. Um, the first thing start is to launch the application from here. The pointer. This one. You start by launching the application. By clicking the application, you get a login page, where in that login page you can click on to register if you are a new user. If you are not a new user, you can easily go and start logging in and using the system. So now in this system you can register your username, email and password, and you confirm using the system. The system can validate if you enter a wrong password, or if you've not entered any information the fields required. And if you don't have an account, you can still register. So after registering, that is putting your name, your email, your password, and you confirm your password, you log in, you get an interface, an activity that will ask you to enter your email and password. You log in and you go to the registration. You go to it will take 3 minutes, 3 seconds for the flash screen to come, as I will show you after. For a flash screen to come, after that, then you get a menu called locator, with having location, list of users, register users, and logout. So in the system, we have I have an edit text view, where you enter this information and enters. If you enter it, you punch in the information and you add the location, and it goes straight to the database. For matter of clarification, we are using an SQLite as our database. So this information that has been entered here will display in the spinner as the way we see right now here. Twitter and Facebook. These are the spinners. A spinner. So we have two spinners. Another spinner is invisible. It will only display when information is there. So still going ahead how to use the covidex locator. This is an interface that which I explained already. After entering this information, then you get a toss of information that you have selected. Twitter, I'm selecting Twitter. If you select Facebook, it shows you that you have a toss that you have selected Facebook. Then lastly, the system has a list view. You can view a list of users who have registered in the system, like this one. To access it, you come to the menu and go to list of users, and you access all the list of users here. Then the software I used was Android Studio 4.0.01, and this is the interface, how it looks like. And going straight to the coding part of it, here the database I used was SQLite, and the database username for logging in users is called user db1, and it is an SQLite, and we have a drop down of information that I'm going to explain later. So going straight to the system, straight to the system. So this is, I'm going to log in. So this is my system. This is the interface. So this is the desktop of my phone. I'm using Visor to display this information. So I have covidex here, as I explained in my slide. To double click covidex, we open covidex. This is a covidex locator, email and password. If you click login, there is verification that you cannot access it until you enter information. If you don't have an account, you click there and enter in your account. Let's take email Zoom at gmail.com. Sorry. Zoe. Sorry, last name. Email is contact Zoe at gmail.com. Then the password 123 123, just to confirm the password. Then now here I will register. When I register, I get an information that registration is successful. So I've registered in this system. So when I come to Zoe, I want to log in at gmail.com 123. Then I log in. So this is the splash screen takes a few seconds. Then I get a menu. My menu is here. I click on the menu. I have my location. Then I click location. This is where I enter information that will be displayed in the drop down or in the spinner. I can say Mbarara, which is already inserted. Then I can say Ginger, it's also still inserted. The reason why it is displaying that it is toast already because it's already selected. So this information are all here. There is Mbarara, which is toasted. There is Ginger, it's also toasted. I can select. Unfortunately, I have not yet coded the part of the second spinner because of time. I could finish it and then give it an opportunity. So going back to the menu, I have a list of users. As you see, they are here. And in this system, I put a scroller view where you can scroll and see the list of information of other people who are not displayed on the fore or in front of the screen at the moment. You can view what is other information that are hidden. So the account that we created are this one. So a name, and that's the email, and that's the password. That is from the list view. You can also register still if you want to register. Just a panel has been opened, and that's how it